What is 10% of 50? This could be a 10% discount off the price of a pair of athletic shoes that cost $50. $50 would be our total price or the whole price or 100%. We need to find 10%. 10% is 1/10 of 100%. So we need to find 1/10 of 50 to keep our scale factors the same. To find 1/10 of a number, I can move my decimal point one place to the left because finding 1/10 of a number is the same as dividing by 10. So 1/10 of 50 is 5. 10% of $50 would be $5, and we'd save $5 off the price of our athletic shoes. What percent of 80 is 48? First, I know I'm looking for the percent, and 80 is the whole, the total, or 100%. 48 is part of that 80. I'm not exactly sure where to locate the 48 on the percent bar, but I do know it has to be greater than 50% because 50% of 80 would be 40, and 48 is greater than 40. Next, I find 10%. 10% is a good amount to use when working with a percent bar. And from there, you can find 5%, 1%, or you can bump it up by a scale factor to larger percents. So 1/10 of 100% is 10%. So 1/10 of 80 would be 8. Once I know 8, I can multiply that by 6 to get 48. So I can use the same scale factor on the bottom of my percent bar and multiply 10% times 6 to get 60%. 60% of 80 is 48. And of course, that is greater than 50%. 75% of what number is 27? First, I know I'm looking for the total, the whole, or the 100%. 75% is the same as 27. I will locate 27 at the 3/4 mark on my percent bar because 75% is the same as 3/4. Next, I'll find 25% because 75% times 1/3 gives me 25%. So 1/3 of 27 is 9. Next, I can easily see that 25% times 4 equals 100%. So 9 times 4 gives me 36. 75% of 36 is 27.